Welcome to NBA 2K21. Today we're going to learn how to do the alley-oop.
Now, there are a lot of different ways to do the alley-oop. Generally speaking, the easiest way to do it is off transition. You're looking for a mismatch with the guy cutting to the basket and then double tapping that triangle button. And we're going to break down this play with a little more detail.
This one starts with the rebound, and the point is we need to quickly get the ball up court. So we're going to hold down R1, and then number 23 is the square button, which you've seen earlier. We pass the ball to him. Okay, he's going to start driving to the rim. If you'll notice, he's drawing two players right there. And if you'll notice, number 7 is wide open. So instead of going for the dunk, well, we're going to dunk it alley-oop style, but we're not going to dunk it with James. We're going to double tap the triangle button right there. Nice double tap right there. And give him a nice alley-oop for a sweet setup there.
In this second example of an alley-oop, we get a steal. And, of course, we move the ball up quickly and find a nice opportunity there.
Okay, here we are in defense. We get lucky. We get a steal. Quickly, we got to go to transition. We're looking for the receiver on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. We call it up with R1 and then press the circle button. And, again, it's quickly. As you can see, we get him right there. Okay, right here, if you'll notice, Anthony Davis is open. That's where we hit the double tap the triangle button, a nice soft double tap. Don't triple tap it, though. It won't work. Nice soft double tap. We got him in position, and he gets a nice alley-oop right there. One of the main reoccurring themes you may notice here is that the best odds of success are getting the ball up court in transition. Here we're driving to the lane right here. And we could attempt for the dunk right here, but we're getting double teamed, so this is where we double tap it with the triangle button, and you can see McGee going right there and takes a nice alley-oop and slams it home.
Okay, let's take a look at this in real time. Rebound, R1, pass. Running up court, double tap triangle, nice alley-oop right there. And like I said earlier, it's easiest to do it in transition. We're going to do one that's not in transition. Defense is set here. We're trying to move the ball. Nothing's working. Okay, pass it back. Pass it back. Going to try to set a screen. And then we see an opening, double tap it, and boom. Let's break this down in slow motion and see what we see here.
While transition is easiest, this one initiates off of pick and roll. What we're going to do is hold down the L1 button to set a pick. He's going to go in for a pick right there. We're going to try to drive to the basket. He's going to roll out of it. If you'll notice, his hand's up right there. What we're going to do is we're going to double tap the triangle button right there and just get it in time for a nice alley-oop against a tough defensive setup right there. But that's pretty sweet.
Another theme that you may have noticed going throughout all these examples is that we are moving the ball typically. When it happens, this one we get really, really lucky and get it out of a set piece, but most of the time if you do that, it's not going to work. Here we are again, transition, moving the ball up court. Okay, moving the ball, double tap it right there for a nice setup. But yeah, it's all about rhythm and timing if you want to get it right.
And of course, that's going to wrap this up. I'm signing out. If you're looking for more tips on 2K21, there's a link in the description below to a playlist, or you can check out this channel for the playlist called NBA 2K21 Tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck.